your name for faves. Spell your name. But that's a I must report that the frozen salmon that I bought last week was a
it?
Was a hit.
Okay, it wasn't bad, but it didn't really taste like salmon.
Too babe! Rock, paper, scissors! Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here and I'm in the street. It's not as windy as it was the past few days when I was here, so it's almost like you don't need any jacket soon, which is really promising because I need to start show these legs. Okay, we need to start with some skimpy y'all don't listen to me. Anyway, I am in town. I dropped my girl to school. Papa dropped Tyler to school this morning and then head to work, so he's off to work, Tyler's off to school, everybody's in their respective places. Right now I am heading to the sports store because my knee is hurting me like crazy. It's just been acting up, and babe said to me last night, honey, please, I am begging you to sit out workout this morning. You don't have to be working out every day. But he doesn't understand that working out for me is not just about staying fit, but it's for my mental health. Like literally when I work out, I feel so at peace, I feel so calm, I have a good day whenever I don't work out. My day is just amazing whenever I work out. So it's not just about staying fit and getting fit and staying in shape, but it also helps me mentally. Hence why I really do enjoy working out every morning, at least 5 days per week. So I need to go and see if I can find a knee band at the sports store. So that's why I need to go to the sports store. One that was directly here in town. It's always fun when I'm filming in public and people just walk up to the camera and go peace. They're like hello. This guy just go like this. So what was I saying? My knee's acting up, so I need to go get a knee band, and a sportswear that was here in town shut down, so I have to go to another one. So I'm going to a Decathlon. If you guys know that brand, that's where I'm heading right now. There's a big store here close to Center Town that babe tell me that is one of the biggest Decathlon here in Nice. So I've never been there, but I have to take the tram. So I'm gonna jump on the tram right now and then go to that store. So let's go. I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today. Have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. It's early in the morning, but people is going about their business, going to work. Lot of commuting happening. Maybe because it's Friday, why this morning seem a bit busier than usual. But I'm going to catch this tram beside me, so I'm gonna put my mask on and I'll catch you guys when I get to the sports store. Shawty. Okay, so I ended up in this mall trying to find a Decathlon. Let's see if I'll accomplish that. But there's so many stores here. There's a big supermarket. I might have to go in there because I just remember I left my water. There's clothes store, Texas. Wow, phone shop, phone case shop. So I'm looking for this place. Ah, I think I found it. Found it. This store is so huge. Well, I don't have to go to the supermarket. I find water in here, and I think I find my knee band. So that's good. Roller skate. I need to keep practicing, man. But God know my knee. Jaja. Mission accomplished. I got my knee band. Now I can go about my business, shorty. Hopefully that will help my knee a bit, especially when I go hiking. Because girl, this knee ain't playing. This knee is tripping. Look at, wow, look at all these beautiful pastries. Look at that. So pretty. Wow. This bowl of goodness. Oh my God. You guys, my allergies giving me hell. I need to go spray the thing in my nose. Whew. This time of year and me outside is the worst. You guys hear I'm getting stuffy? It's killing me. My nose is just itching like crazy. Oh, look, girl is done for a nap. I'm gonna take this time to have some lunch, get a little rest before we head out on the road again to pick up Tyler and head to the supermarket. So yeah, on a roll. Friday job. I'm not gonna ask you guys what you guys having for lunch because I have patty, so I don't have to drool over you guys patty right now. But I'll leave that question for when my patty done, me come back and ask you guys again. Yes, so we can drool again. But since I have patty now, me not bad mind no at all. Me not envy you no at all. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna dig into the salad real quick. Look how excited she is to go and see her brother. Hey, give me hands. Give me my hands. Let me see you. Look. Say hello, face.
Hello, face.
You going to see Tai Tai?
Tai Tai?
And go supermarket?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mama.
Hi, Sarah. Say hello, face.
Hello, face.
Say hello, face.
Sarah, look.
Tyler, say hello to face.
007. Hello, face. What one?
Alright. 00 said finish. You guys. Hey.
Finish.
Your turn.
Konnichiwa.
Hello.
Konnichiwa.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon,
Stop giving them
good
the
night.
hello like them and beg you.
Guten Tag.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Ni hao. Salam alaikum. Bom dia. Buongiorno. Hello. Bonjour. Bom dia.
He's telling me
What
hello
one?
in 1,000,001 language.
What one?
Alright, they get it. You guys,
Bonjour.
let's finish. You guys, we're back from the supermarket, and during the supermarket haul, gonna be quick and snappy. Works because everybody is hungry. I already prepared some pizza and burgers, mini burgers to go in the oven. So let's get the supermarket haul on the way. Let's go. Everybody grab a bag. You can start by your bag. Mini burgers, they're about to go in the oven. So you guys will see them after.
Avocado.
Show Sarah. What is this?
Avocado.
Very good. What is it?
Biscuit. Sarah, what is this?
What is this?
Chocolate.
Chocolate,
You know what he loves?
biscuit,
But
yogurt for Tyler.
But
Tyler have a sweet tooth like his dad. Anything sweet? That's baby
Cream.
Tyler.
Cream to cook.
Yes.
Sauce for sauce.
Yes.
Doritos.
I love using this cream. It's not healthy, but I love using it.
Doritos.
Doritos. What is that?
Delaveaus.
I must report that the frozen salmon that I bought last week was a hit.
Okay, it wasn't bad, but it didn't really taste like salmon.
It tastes
It tastes like the one that we used to, but it tastes good, no?
Yeah, it's okay. No, I eat it.
Listen, that's not the reaction I got when I asked yesterday. I don't understand. Yesterday, tell me, honey said, très bon.
Yeah, the everything together was, I really enjoyed my dinner. But if you ask me between the fresh salmon and the salmon that I got yesterday, I'm telling you like, okay, the salmon taste is much better in the fresh. But what was with the salmon, all around the salmon was super good. The sauce, the mushroom.
He's hiding the truth from me.
And all of this.
So why you didn't tell me that from yesterday?
No, I tell you the overall was super good.
Yeah, but you didn't make mention of the actual.
Because I didn't really make sense. But I'm fine with it. You asked me, for example, if I could choose. But I'm fine with that. I promise you. I promise you.
Okay.
Brownie.
She always say, you
Sarah,
sure?
what
And then she have an empty plate. I said the plate talk right there.
Sarah, you eat everything, even if we give you a dirt, you're gonna eat it. What is this? Brownie.
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 Hey, spell your name for faves. Spell your name. But that's a country. Okay, I'm français.
She's like Tyler, she's gonna eat.
I don't want Sarah to say brownie. I wanted Sarah to say what she had said when you were eating.
What did she say?
I have some yogurt as usually. Where they usually do.
Papa, tu sais ce qu'elle avait dit avant qu'elle dise brownie? Je t'avais montré, tu sais ce qu'elle avait dit avant
What she
qu'elle
said?
dise
Chocolate.
brownie? Non, elle a dit gâteau chocolat.
Alright. Well, we're going on the
Sarah,
road
what is it?
probably.
What is
So we have all of the equipment to the sandwich.
What is
Yeah.
Cheese.
Chips.
And probably bread somewhere. She didn't forget.
Yes, I didn't buy bread because I have enough bread.
We have the
Yogurt.
chips for the way.
Good job.
Nutella by Brady.
We have the yogurt for the family and the
Yogurt.
save our life last minute cook.
And this also can save our life.
Donuts!
No, not donuts,
Dude soup. Yes? You want to ask Mama what is this? Yogurt. Good job, Sarah. Say, Mama, what is
We have
this?
apple juice and poor plum, apple, whatever. And then it.
We have milk. Crepe. Tell us stop shouting like that. And stop. You hear me? Good job, Sarah. Bravo. Okay, let's go, guys.
We have mushroom. Somebody started buying mushroom every week. And that's why I told her yesterday that it was good because she put mushroom and the sauce together.
I don't like mushroom.
What is this, Sarah?
We have corn
Hold
and
on.
mayonnaise.
What is it? Cucumber. Good job, Mama. Yes.
What is this? Biscuit.
No.
Biscuit, yes.
It's rice cake.
Yes, it's biscuit.
You try the donut, try it. Try the donut.
What is this? Donut.
Good job.
What is that?
Lemon.
Et en
Yay.
français?
Lemon.
En français?
Citron,
Yay.
yes.
What is this?
Rice.
What's this?
What?
Eh, what's this?
Honey.
Tangerine.
Leaf
banana. This boy showed us.
Oh, sweet potato. Long time I didn't get the sweet potato. That's a?
Juice.
Yes, what kind of juice?
Yeah. She said tangerine.
Orange juice.
It's orange juice. Sarah, orange and tangerine look almost the same, okay? Alright, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket. How about rock, paper, scissors is gonna go down right now. Whoever loses not getting no mini burger. It's food we're playing for. So, this is gonna be interesting. Alright, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Babe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Babe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oi, oi, Hello, we're gonna stop playing for food. We won't play for food anymore because Papa we need.
But every time Papa wins, every day.
You train very hard every day. So that's what you're at school doing, training.
That's fun. No, every récréation, I
You
do
train.
rock, paper, scissors, and train.
That's okay. You're not gonna always win.
And every time I did that, I win.
That's okay. That's okay.
The tablet.
Remember, Papa is an adult
My
and you have to remember
tablet.
that, okay?
Okay.
Anyway, you guys, so that's rock, paper, scissors for today.
But I'm still going to have mini burgers.
But of course.
Because it's me that's choosing.
That's true. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna go pack these things out and have dinner. I'll show you guys what dinner is as soon as dinner is ready. Flex number 1, mini burgers. Plate number 2, mini pizza. Third and final plate, big pizza. Talk to the face, no, you haven't talked to them all day.
Because I wasn't there all day. It's Friday. It's supposed to be the beginning of the weekend. We both tired. We want to celebrate the beginning of the weekend. But trust me, if we do that, it's because we have so much things planned for the weekend.
If we do
and
what?
we don't want to be tired.
So we're not gonna drink no wine tonight.
And we be good and you don't want to miss what's gonna happen tomorrow.
Yes, I like the energy. You're so convincing.
Yeah, so if you like this video, you give a
Thumbs up.
don't forget to
Subscribe. Catch up and keep up. And we'll see you guys.
catch up and keep up, subscribe, like,
Comment. So I didn't say all of that? No?
you need to also say show Ludo a lot of love and yeah, typical answer. I will see you guys tomorrow.
And then he's gonna ask me what kind of trouble he give. There we go.